A quick video of how I did my LED kit on my new 4-post Advantage lift kit for my big block Chevy Vega and my other projects. It provides plenty of lighting, even enough to almost work by, I think. And anyways, besides the accent lighting, this is how I ran it. I used the fiberglass J clip panel for FRP panels. I could add adhesive to it straight. I could pull it out in case there's a spill. Here's my remote control receiver. Underneath the ramp, ran these clips to hold up the wire with 3M tape. And there's my unit here, attached. And then it's also loomed along with my hose, along with my power cord that goes up to my 20 amp circuit. And as you can see, provides pretty decent amount of lighting. I really appreciate this LED kit. Ordered from Lowe's, 24-foot kit, $69. Strips probably cost about $12 for 3 or 4 pieces. It allows room for the sliding jack tray. And I ended up utilizing some of the corner connectors here, and I spliced in with thermostat line cable across the back, fastened with some tape and a bolt in the center here, just for safety. Make sure it doesn't drop on the cable down here. The operating cable plugs into here, so this whole strip can unplug and pull out in case there's a spill or I need to clean it or just need it out of the way. Anyways, I'm very happy with how this has turned out, I believe. Gives me plenty of lighting.